Hey, bro, get that little smoke detector, a little battery in there, bro.
Hey,
So we
bro,
can
get
just take
that
that
little
battery
smoke
out, put
detector,
a
a
new
little
one in.
battery in there, bro.
So
Or either take that battery out, put a new one in,
that shit ain't
or
affecting. You know what I mean?
This will be
you know what I'm
intense. I
saying?
hope you came
You
That
heard me?
shit
prepared.
ain't.
Huh?
You heard me? Huh?
Yo, get the little smoke detector battery, get a new one.
Yo,
That's all
get
I'm
the
trying
little
to tell
smoke
you.
detector battery.
Don't hide from me.
That's all I'm
Bruh,
trying to tell you,
just get the little battery fixed, bro.
bruh.
You can't play in the game with us
Just
like
get the
that,
little
bro.
battery
The
fixed,
battery
bruh.
not fixed, bro.
Playing the game with us like that, bro. With your battery
You know what
not
I'm saying?
fixed, bro.
We don't care how
We ain't
old you
having
are,
that
bro. You
beef.
get to go to the
You know
store,
what I'm
bro.
saying?
Go to 7-Eleven, get
We
you
don't
some
care how
batteries.
old you are, bro. You get to go to the store, bro. Go to
We
7-Eleven, get
don't
to the
care if you
battery
walk to the
beef.
store and get kidnapped to be with your little ass B.
We don't care if you
Just
walk
get the
to the store and
batteries
get
B.
kidnapped, be with your
And
little ass B.
if it's an old nigga, bro,
Just get the
you know what
battery
I'm
B.
saying? Get you some
And
EBT.
if it's an old nigga, bro,
Cash on the
you know
EBT
what I'm saying?
card.
Get you some
Go get the
EBT.
batteries. You can't get
Get
the
you some
batteries off
cash on
EBT
the
unless you're
EBT
at the
card and
bodega.
go get some batteries. You can't get the batteries off
If
EBT
you at
unless
the
you at the
bodega, they'll let you
bodega.
get the batteries with EBT, bro.
If you at
Y'all
the
know that.
bodega, they'll let you get
Get you some
the
batteries
batteries
off
with
your
EBT,
EBT,
bro.
bro.
You know,
That's what I'm
y'all know
trying to
that.
tell you, bro.
Get you some batteries off your
Yeah,
EBT,
you
bro.
got it. You
That's what
got
I'm
it.
trying to
A
tell you,
B
bro.
C E B T. One,
Yeah,
two,
you got
three.
it. You got it.
EBT.
A B C E B T.
A
One, two,
B
three.
C E B T.
One
1,
opening.
2, 3.
A
EBT.
B C E B T. One, two,
Facing
three.
trouble.
Get you some
EBT.
EBT, bro. BBT.
You will not hide from me.
Not
Some
BET, but
EBT, bruh.
EBT, bro.
BET. No, not EBT. Not BET, but EBT,
Bro,
bro.
just get the damn EBT and stop talking, bro.
It's good.
Bro, just get the damn
One
EBT
We're
and
gonna
stop
put your
talking,
dad
bro.
on child support. We're gonna put your dad on child support.
You gonna put your dad on child support. We're gonna put your dad on child
If you
support.
get EBT, your dad going on child
Skills
support.
are useful.
Everybody knows that.
If you get EBT,
We
your
don't care
dad
what
going on
state
child
you're in.
support. Everybody knows that.
We don't care what
We don't care what state.
In
We don't care what. We don't care what state you in. He gets the. You know.
You heard what I said. I'm on my phone right now.
You heard what I said.
You heard what I said.
I'm on my phone right now. You heard what I said.
You heard what I
You
said.
heard what I said.
Thank you.
You heard what I said.
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 Hey,
You heard
bro,
what I
there's
said.
no talking. I'm the only one talking. Are y'all Twitch streamers like me?
Hey, bro, there's no talking. I'm the only one talking. Are y'all Twitch streamers like me?
Huh? Bro.
Huh?
Alright, bro. If y'all say something else like that, I'm gonna
Bro.
Bro,
All right,
stop
bro.
talking
If
right now.
if y'all say something else like that, I'm gonna have. Bro, stop talking right now, cause you not. Are you?
What? How you just gonna put that label on me,
What?
bro? Like I'm a Mod Arbery or somebody, or George Floyd.
How you just gonna put that label
Do I
on me,
look
bro?
like
Like I'm a
Black
John
Lives Matter?
Arbery or somebody,
Bro,
or
I
George
think
Floyd.
white lives matter personally.
Do I look like
think
Black Lives Matter? Bro, I think white lives matter personally. I think white lives matter.
Y'all need skin suntan lotion.
Cause y'all need skin suntan lotion. So y'all lives matter more than ours. We don't need suntan lotion. Y'all lives, y'all be in jeopardy most of the time walking around. Y'all can catch cancer at any time. Black people, we just put on cocoa butter. We just get cocoa butter and Robitussin for everything. It heals everything.
Y'all trying to do? Y'all trying to be funny, so I don't kill y'all, but it ain't gonna work though.
Hey, I know what y'all trying to do. Y'all trying to be friendly, so I don't kill y'all, but it ain't gonna work.
It's no longer an
It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work.
Hey, little bro, get you some batteries off
It ain't
your
gonna work.
EBT. And,
Hey, little bro, get you some batteries off your
the
EBT
batteries
and
for the smoke
get the
detector
battery
alarm off
fixed.
EBT.
Yeah, with your battery for the smoke detector alarm off EBT.
Bro, It's probably a grown dude. It's probably not even you. It's probably a grown
Bruh,
up who won't get that shit
It's
fixed.
probably a grown dude. It's probably not even you. It's
Bro.
probably a grown up who won't get that shit fixed.
What'd you say, little EBT?
Bro. What'd you say, little EBT?
He said hella. What'd you say? I feel like one of y'all.
He said hella.
Get the battery fixed.
What'd you say?
Bro, this nigga's a loser.
I feel like one of y'all, he won't get the
Did
battery
he say
fixed
hella,
or
that nigga?
nothing,
Are you
bro.
from
This
Northern
nigga's a
Cali,
loser.
little bro? Little EBT?
Did he say hella, that nigga? Are you from Northern Cali, little bro? EBT, bro?
Okay, they say it up there too, little EBT. That's what's up, little.
Okay, they say it up there too, little EBT. That's what's up, little. You got hella EBT.
No, this was new. Thank you.
Hell yeah, hella EBT.
Huh?
Nigga be getting hella grub when he get that EBT in. Huh? What'd you say? What'd you say, little EBT?
What'd you say, little EBT?
Hostile strafe inbound.
What'd you say, little EBT?
Little EBT is drunk, huh? Okay.
Little EBT is drunk, huh? Okay.
We would never think of that.
That's crazy, little EBT. We would never think of that, you little EBT.
Little EBT. You're not that old, little EBT.
Little EBT. You're not that old, little EBT.
Little EBT.
You lying, little EBT.
The other people, they not tripping either. They letting me call
hey,
you little EBT.
The other people, they not tripping either. They letting me call you little EBT. Like they think it's funny. They laughing in the background and shit, not saying that. Like, hey, it's a nigga on here. He's calling them little EBT. But they got themselves on mute laughing. They like, oh, he's calling them little EBT. Y'all laughing in the background, huh? Y'all laughing in the background, ain't y'all?
Bro.
Little EBT.
Y'all trash. I'm second place.
Yeah, little EBT, bro.
Y'all EBT cars don't even
Y'all
work.
trash. I'm second place. Y'all EBT cars don't even work.
Y'all EBT cars get the batteries with some EBT cars.
Y'all EBT cars